Marian Santos of Potentials.com, signing at our channel. So it's been a while since we last our vlog here at our workshop area. So yan, we have a lot of things. We went to Taiwan, to Boracay, busy sa mga consulting work, ayan, yung ating side hustles. But let's continue studying the book of John Maxwell, the Maxwell Daily Reader. So, yung lesson natin today is, you are your lens. Ayan. Be aware of your lens today as you interact with others. So, yung essence ng lesson of John Maxwell today is, who you are determines the way you see everything. So, kumbaga yung lens natin is important on our perception or interpretation of things around us. You cannot separate your identity from your perspective. So, laging what are our beliefs, our values determines how we see people around us. So, sabi nga niya, a traveler meeting or near a great city as an old man seated by the road. What are the people like in the city? So, nagtanong daw siya kung, diba, what are the people here? So, sabi ni old man, sabi niya, horrible, the traveler reported. And then, what were they like from where you came from? So, tinanong niya yung traveler, ano ba yung mga tao sa pinanggalingan mo? Sabi niya, ng traveler, horrible, there are mean and trustworthy, detestable in all aspects. So, sabi ni old man, you will find the same in this city. So, after a while, meron namang another traveler who passed by. So, tinanong din niya yung old man. So, sabi naman, tinanong ulit ng old man, what about in your place? What are the people? Sabi niya, they were fine people, honest, industrious, generous to a fault. So, sabi naman ng old man, that's exactly how you'll find the people here. So, yun yung perspective. Kumbaga, we see things the way it is in our system, it's in our belief, in our values. So, kahit saan daw tayo pumunta, if we have this perspective of people, ganun din na makikita natin kung saan tayo pupuntang place. You will see the people that's in our mind, the attitudes or profile nila. The way people see others is a reflection of themselves. If I am trusting, I will see others as trustworthy. If I see critical, I will see others critical. If I'm a caring person, I will see others as compassionate. So if you change yourself and become the kind of person you desire to be, you will begin to view others to a whole new light. And that will change the way you interact in all of your relationships. So friends, sinasabi ni John Maxwell is tayo na-determine how we see the people around us. It's our perspective, it's our belief, it's our system that determines how we will deal or improve our relationship with others. The key is you are your lens. It's our perspective that's important in our relationship every day. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.